me, you know what I say. If you don't, Kweenpin Krew, you're watching what? Kweenpin Entertainment. Welcome back, Kweenpin Krew. I'm back with another lit video for you today. I am so excited because I'm finally going to be unboxing a company I've been waiting to get some products from. And I've been wanting some products from for a long time. I just never really did it because I already had so much makeup. But I finally got into purging all of my old makeup, and now I'm going to restock with like new makeup and brands that I really want to try and really want to use and stuff. So I am so excited. Also, the best part is it is a black owned makeup brand, so I am so excited about that as well. I didn't realize that this company was actually mad affordable. I thought they were going to be like high end or a little bit more expensive like most brands of their quality. But they're actually really cheap, and they do like the best sales all the freaking time. So I am so excited to be unboxing Juvia's Place today. And yeah. Okay guys, so I have the box here. I already kind of opened it, but I didn't take anything out. I didn't swatch anything. I am so freaking excited. Now, one thing I do want is I want to own like all their palettes one day. I don't know why. I have an obsession with owning like hella palettes in a brand if I really like them. So I want like all their stuff. If I really like them, I really like their quality, definitely. So this first box is just eyeshadow. I don't have any of their other stuff, but I do have some other packages from them that I will also be unboxing, and it does include like lipsticks, and I think one includes like a foundation. So I'm gonna get more into their like face stuff and their lip stuff, but right now I only got like eyeshadows. One thing for show and two things for certain, they have the best like bundles. Like their deals are so freaking crazy. I didn't even realize their deals were this crazy. Like I got all 7 of these, and I can't even remember, but it was like a 50 or a 60% off sale, and you got all these freaking palettes, and I'm pretty sure it was only like 20 something dollars. I don't know. That is crazy. That is crazy. And I see their site. I've been following them for a while, and I've seen people unbox them, and their stuff looks so good. So I'm just so excited to really own this right now. Like, look at their packaging. That is beautiful, right? So we're going to start off with the totes. I'm not sure I'm going to keep the boxes now because the cover is just as cute. So that makes me so excited. So I don't feel the need to keep the boxes or anything. Like, they're just so freaking cute. Oh my god. That is pretty as hell. That's pretty as f. But yeah. And it doesn't smell like cheap makeup. This doesn't smell cheap. Like some affordable palettes smell like, you know, they have a certain smell to them, you know. Okay, so next we have the violets. Ooh la la. Ooh, these colors are cute as hell. This color right here, I'm gonna have a good time. I'm gonna have a good time with that color. I wanna swatch it. I wanna swatch it. Ooh, that is soft. That is soft. That is real soft. Ooh, that's cute. That is nice. I like. And I really like this color right here. This one might turn out to be my favorite because I am obsessed with pink. I love pink, as you can see. But it's my favorite color. So this is the Sweet Pinks. That is cute as fuck. These, all of them. All of them. I'm about to say these two, this one, they're all so freaking cute. This is my favorite one so far. Yeah, I gotta get me a little swatch of this one. Ooh. Ooh. Now that's pigmented as hell. That's a pigmented pink. I want to swatch them all, but I'm not going to. And next we have the berries. That's such a cute name. The berries. I'm excited about this one too because I like berry shades. Like I like the colors that are associated with berries. Yes. Yes to these two. Yes to this one. Yes to the whole palette again. Yes ma'am. Yes ham. And yes turkey. Too cute. Too cute. Yeah. This color right here, that's the one I swatched. Beautiful. I'm not good at swatching. I'm clearly no expert swatcher, so please don't be mad at me and my swatching skills. I'm gonna get better, I promise. This one I'm actually really excited about too. It's the nudes, so I am excited to see what the nudes look like. Because everybody needs some nudes. You need some transition shades. Or even just some stuff that looks natural when you do a natural look. Oh, these are cute. These are cute. These are like really, really nude. So these are definitely what you think nudes are going to look like. But this is going to be my transition shade. I can already tell. I do want to swatch this one right here. This one. Ooh, that's going to be cute as fuck. I can already tell. Hold on. Oh yeah, that's really cute. Yes, yes, yes. This palette, I was super excited for it because I love mauves. I can never pronounce it right, so put down in the comment section how it's actually pronounced. Oh, yes, 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 yes. This color, yes. This color, yes. This color whole palette, yes. Everything a yes. I want to do this one. This one right here. That is cute. Now you can't really see because I just did just my pinky, but it's really cute. Too freaking cute. I am obsessed. I'm obsessed with all of this. And last but not least, the chocolates. I have been waiting this whole video to do the chocolates, and I am so excited because I don't know, chocolate colors are just so cute to me. Oh my gosh. And I knew you guys were going to be cute. I knew they were going to be cute and so freaking chocolate. Let me see. Let me see. I'm doing this dark shade right here. I really want that. Oh yeah. It's right here. It makes you want to just bite it. Like, just have a little bite, a little treat. I am a little hungry, so it's also that. But this is a cute palette. So yeah. Overall, I am going to rank them a cool 8.5. The only thing I wish is that some of the pigments aren't as consistent, but a lot of them really are good. So they definitely are still up there in rank. For their prices, this is better than anything you can imagine. These prices, their prices are incredible. Like their everyday prices are already pretty affordable, but it's their prices on sales, and they have like the best sales all the time. Like on Cyber Monday, I think it was like up to 70% off. I'm talking about really good sales. Palettes for like $3, $2.50, you know, so they have really good sales, and I definitely will be shopping again. I am obsessed, I am in love, and I want them all. Thank you guys for just staying tuned and watching. Comment down below which like palette was your favorite. Which colors do you like? Do you even like eyeshadows? What type of makeup are you into? And what brands you would like to see me do a haul from? What brands are you into and what do you like? So if you know me, you know what I say. If you don't, I'm Kweenpin K, and thank you so much for watching Kweenpin Entertainment. Kweenpin out.